Tired of annoying ads slowing down your browsing and cluttering your screen? Let's get rid of them for good. Today, I'll show you how to install and configure Ublock Origin, a completely free and open source ad blocker, on your Chrome browser in just a few easy steps. First, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser to open the Chrome menu. Next, hover over More Tools. In the menu, a submenu will appear. Click on Extensions. This will take you to the Chrome Extensions page. Alternatively, type Chrome Extensions into your address bar and hit Enter to get here directly. Now, in the top left corner, click the menu icon. 3 horizontal lines at the bottom of the menu. Click Open Chrome Web Store. Once there, type Ublock Origin into the search bar in the upper left corner and press Enter. Find Ublock Origin in the search results. It's the one with the recognizable shield logo. Click on the Ublock Origin extension listing to open its details page. Click the blue Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. In the pop-up window, review the permissions Ublock Origin requests, and then click Add Extension. Chrome will automatically download and install Ublock Origin. Once installed, you'll see a confirmation message and the Ublock Origin icon, a red shield, appear in your Chrome toolbar, usually to the right of your address bar. Click on the Ublock Origin icon to access its settings and statistics. It works right out of the box, blocking ads and trackers automatically. You can customize Ublock Origin further by clicking the gear icon, but the default settings are generally excellent for most users. Enjoy a cleaner and faster browsing experience.